class today, to our math class. Today we'll be considering simplification questions, WAEC past question on simplification. I gave you this question as an assignment earlier in an earlier video. So today, how many of you got it? I don't know if you have not seen the earlier videos we had on simplification, please go over to the channel, look at, we have done a lot of classes on mathematics and other subjects. So today, we will look at this one that I gave you as an assignment, which I believe you were able to do. Some of you did it and got back to us then. We'll also look at this one. Solution. By now, if you have been following the videos, you should know that everything we do in simplification, when it comes to mathematics, has to do with board mass. I won't go into that because we have treated it extensively in the other videos. Look at this question. We were told it's actually an objective question. So we'll look at which of them is the answer. We'll have 1/7/8 times 2/5 multiplied by 6 whole number 3/4 divided by 3/4. Now, what do we do? Like you already know, we will solve the upper part separately. So let's bring the upper part. We have 1 whole number 7/8 multiplied by 2 whole number 2/5. How do we resolve this? Let us change this. These are mixed fractions. Let us change them to improper fraction. 8 times 1 will give us 8. 8 plus 7 should give us 15. 15 over 8 multiplied by 5 times 2 is 10. 10 plus 2 is 12/5. What do? We multiply out. And like I always say, whenever you have multiplication or addition, you should not find LCM, you just multiply out. So we will now have, but before we multiply out, we can divide. 5 can divide itself and 15. 5 into 5 is 1. 5 into 15 is 3. What can go? Something can divide 8 and 12. What can go? 4 can go. 4 into 8 is 2. 4 into 12 is 3. So we will now have 3 multiply 3 all over 2 multiply 1, which will give us 3 multiply 3 is 9/2. So after solving the upper part of the first question, we got 9/2. Let us solve the lower part. 6 whole number 3/4. 24 plus 3 should give us 27. We have 27 all over 4 divided by 3/4. And I taught you, we have to change this division to multiplication. Equals to 27/4 multiplied by 4/3. Did you notice what we did here? 4 was down here, but it is now up. 3 was up, but it's now down. Why is it that way? Because we changed division to multiplication. So we just multiply out. But before we do that, we've got some division to do. 4 divide 4, 1. 4 divide 4, 1. 3 divide 3 is 1. 3 can divide 27. 3 divide 27 should give us 9. So we will now have 9 times 1, 9 times 1 over 1 times 1, which will give us 9/1. But we are not done. We have solved the upper part and we got 9/2. We solved the lower part and we got 9/1. What we will now do is to solve them together. We have 9/2 all over 9/1, which is the same thing as saying 9/2 divided by 9/1, which is the same thing as saying 9/2 multiplied by 1/9. By 9, you know what we did earlier. So it will now be divide 9 divide 9 1. So we will now have 1 over 2. 1 over 2 has come out to be the final answer. If you look at this, you now see that D is the correct answer. But we are not ending here. We have a second question to tackle. What is our second question? And our second question is a theory question. So there is no options. We have 1 over 4 plus 7 over 9 all over 4 over 9 minus 2 over 3 times 9 over 64. What do we do? First of all, let's solve the upper part. 1 over 4 plus 7 all over 9. Because let's change this to improper fraction. 4 times 1, 4. Plus 1, 5. We have 5 over 4 plus 7 over 9. Let us find the LCM of 4 and 9. LCM of 4 and 9 is 4, 9. We have 2 can go. 2 into 4 is giving us 2. 2 into 9 cannot go, bring it down. 2 into 2 can go 1. 2 into this cannot go, bring it down. 1 can go 3. 3 into this 1. 3 into this 3. 3, 1, 1. So we now have 2 times 2 times 3 times 3. 2 times 2, 4. 4 times 3, 12. 12 times 3. She gave us 36. So our LCM here will be 36. Let's go. 36 divided by 4 will give us 9. 9 times 5 will give us 45. That 36 divided by 4 is 9. 9 times 5 is 45. Plus 36 divided by 9. 36 divided by 9 will give us 4. 4 times 7 times 7 will give us 28. So we now have 28 plus 45 will give us 73 over 36. After solving the upper part, we got 73 over 36. Let us solve the lower part. In the lower part, we have 1 whole number 4 over 9 minus 2 whole number 2 over 3 multiplied by 9 over 64. Before we go on, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, this is the right time to subscribe. And if you are following, if you have been following the classes, if you like what we are doing here, please click the like button right now. Now, let us change these mixed fractions to improper fraction. 9 times 1 is 9. 9 plus 4 is, we have 13 over 9 minus 3 times this is 6. 6 plus this, 8 over 3 multiplied by 9 over 64. But we will not be solving this one for now. Okay? No. In board maths, follow attentively. In board maths, here we have minus and multiplication. Board maths said we must solve multiplication before subtraction. This is where it comes out very important. So we have to solve this multiplication first before we solve our subtraction. So we will now have 8 over 3 multiplied by 9 over 64. Before we solve, we have to divide. 3 divided 3 is 1. 3 divided 3 is 9. 8 divided 8 is 1. 8 divided 64 should be 8. So 64 divided by 8 will give us 8. So here we have 1 times 3 all over 1 times 8. So here we have 3 over 8. That is after solving the multiplication part of the denominator. Now what do? We will now carry this and solve it alongside with this. So we now have 13 over 9. Remember how we got this was changing this fraction. We got this. 13 over 9 minus 3 over 8. Which will be equal to. Let us find the LCM. Please, a classwork for you. Help me to find the LCM of 9 and 8. While you are still on 8, we have 8, 9. 2 into 8 will give us 4. 2 into this cannot go, bring it down. 2 into this will give us 2, cannot go. 2 into this 1. 3 can go, 1, 3. 3 can go, 1, 1. So we have 2 times 2 times 2 times 3 times 3. It should give us 2 times 2 times 2 times 3 times 3. It will give us 72. Our LCM here will be 72. 72 divided by 9 will give us 8. 8 times 13 will give us 104 minus 72 divided by 8. 72 divided by 8 will give us 9. 9 times 3 will give us 27. So we will now have 104 minus 27 will give us 77. We have 77 all over 72. Now, after we solve the upper part, we got 73. I hope you are following. 73 over 36. After we solve the lower part, we got 77 over 72. Which is the same thing as 73 equals to over 36 divided by 77 all over 72. This should lead us into saying 73 all over 36 multiplied by 72 over 77. By now you should know the reason for this. If you don't know, kindly consult the other videos we have done. What can divide? 6 can divide. 6 divided 36 will give us 6. 6 divided 72 should give us 12. 6 divided 6 will give us 1. 6 divided 12 will give us 2. So we will have 73 times 2 all over 77 equals to 73 times 2 will give us 146 over 77, which will now give us one whole number (69 over 77). This is our last final answer. I want you to take your time, slowly watch this video. If you have questions on it, please ask me. If you do not understand anything, feel free to send us an email, or you can comment your confusion downwards. By the way, you can watch our other videos on simplification. Thank you so much.